Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I will be showing you how to strengthen your friendship. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So do you struggle with anxiety that the friendship you used to have with your friends is slowly fading? And you are so worried that you will lose your friends as the result of it? Well, don't worry anymore, because in today's video I will be showing you how you can strengthen your friendship with your friends again. 1. Take advantage of their good news. Did Frank get a new job last month? Did Michelle have a baby 3 months ago? Sure, you send them a thank you card or email, but you can do more. Tell a friend who recently shared bad news. When you meet her, learn what experts call constructive thinking, be proactive, ask questions about everything, and let her remember the time spent with you. When we respond positively to positive messages from others, they feel more understanding, accepted, and supported, which deepens your relationship and makes you both happier. 2. Make time for the day with your friends. It may sound silly, but you should celebrate it. So why not take the time to meet up with the friend you want to talk to? Have you called your best friends lately to check them out? Whether it's a phone call, a video call, or a simple text, add a note to your calendar to let people know you're thinking of them. We are all busy, but call him only once. If this seems too difficult for you, send me a message. 3. Put yourself in their shoes. It's easy to lose patience with a guy who's always only 20 minutes late, or that other friend from college who's always trying. But here's the thing about empathy and compassion: take a few seconds to think about how you feel about your friend. What are the unique challenges? Learning to make decisions helps us develop empathy, which leads to better relationships and greater empathy and understanding. These are things every good friend should have. 4. Make a good decision. Even if you haven't seen the friend for a long time, sometimes just reminiscing about the good old days is enough to cheer your friend on. Look at pictures of positive and memorable activities or vacations you enjoyed together, jot down memorable moments and write fun descriptions of that activity. Even if you haven't seen your friend, ask him, "When do you remember?" Gather photos from the event and highlight the best moments of the day. 5. Enjoy the good news. Shelley Gable's research shows that listening carefully to positive messages from others leads to understanding, acceptance, and caring from others, which helps build rapport and encourage both of you. 6. Schedule your friends' time in your day. It may sound silly, but I schedule meetings throughout the day, so why not schedule time to talk to the people I want to talk to? Did you just call your best friend for advice? Whether it's a phone call, Zoom call, email, or just a text, add a note to your calendar so you don't forget to let people know you're thinking of them. Sure, girly parties aren't that popular these days, but you can host them outside of Zoom. If that feels overwhelming, have a morning tea, online, or an afternoon cocktail if you have time. 7. Be completely honest when it comes to hanging out with your friends. Soon we will have more Zoom calls and video chats, and we will try to do more work when we should be trying harder to connect with these people. Try video chatting with your friends instead of staring at your phone or cooking. Even though we all see it on video, it takes a lot of effort to work online. Look at people's body language. You also agree. Pay close attention to this person. 8. Show your friends you care. Hugs are okay, but Day has other ways to show your friends you care. 1. Just listen, don't always give advice. Try not to share your thoughts until they ask you. 3. Observe and provide support. We often think people have needs, but I believe people are more likely to give than to ask. 4. Say, thank you. Expressions of appreciation are usually missed. Look at what others are doing for you and tell them how much it means to you. 9. Learn to communicate effectively. We've all said things we didn't mean or meant to hurt someone we love. If you're mad at a friend, think before you speak, especially if you want to be friends. 10. Don't ignore your feelings to start a conversation. Whether you've known a friend for years or even decades, everyone argues and disagrees from time to time, some more than others. When things get a little out of control, it's hard to just let go, and you have to end the friendship. 11. Don't be a conversational narcissist. Conversational narcissists always seek to turn the attention of others to themselves. Your first reaction to this statement is likely, "Oh, I don't do that, but I know someone who does." But not so fast. Conversational narcissism typically does not manifest itself in obviously boorish plays for attention. Most people give at least some deference to social norms and etiquette. Instead, it takes much more subtle forms, and we're all guilty of it from time to time. Everyone has felt that itch where we couldn't wait for someone to stop talking so we could jump in. We pretended to be listening intently, but we were really focusing on what we were about to say once we found an opening. 12. Improve your self-control. The more total self-control, the better the relationship fared. Multiple benefits were found for having mutually high self-control, including relationship satisfaction, forgiveness, secure attachment, accommodation, healthy and committed styles of loving, smooth daily interactions, absence of conflict, and absence of feeling rejected. Follow up when your friend tells you something rough that's going on in his or her life. A good friend will listen when you tell them about your crappy day or a truly heinous job interview. A great friend will listen, then follow up the next day to make sure you're okay. You always want to let them know you're thinking about them and really listening by checking in with something specific. Land said. If they were looking forward to a trip home, or nervous about an interview for a job or a doctor's appointment, make a point to text them about it. So thanks for watching. And if you are new, please make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications just so every time I upload you won't miss anything.